Today I have a very quick review. It's from the ProFinder 5000 Plus. It is a stud finder, but you can also find it in the US under the name Franklin 710 Plus. I will put the link below on Amazon if you want to buy it and help me through this affiliate link. But I did buy this product with my own money, so if it sucks, I will tell you. Let's open it. Sorry. Ta-da! So the instructions are not very complicated. It's hold button down to turn on, place on surface and move to find studs. And the little lights here will indicate where are the studs. So let's try it out. So now it's time to test this easy stud finder. Here I have a wall which is open on the other side. I can tell you that the stud is about here. I have no stud here, no stud here, so I have a vertical stud right here. I will try to find it. You can also find wires or pipe. It doesn't tell you what it finds, but it tells you there is something behind that wall. So I press on the button, put on the wall. So here it's sensing the stud which is here with the electrical wire to the switch here. I will try to find the stud by moving. So now it sees something. And it sees exactly with precision where is the stud. So I know that I can have a strong anchor here. So yeah, it's just a stud finder. I mean, it's simple. You have a little level here. So if you want one, you can use the link below. Thank you very much. See you next time. Please subscribe, like. Bye.